Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best dog ramps is probably one of the most important investments you can make for your canine companion, especially if they struggle with stairs or have mobility issues. This video will help you find the perfect ramp to ensure your furry friend's safety and comfort, providing a smooth and easy transition between your deck and ground, ultimately enhancing their quality of life and preventing potential injuries. Number 5. PetSafe Happy Ride Ramp. It's the perfect solution for helping your furry friend get in and out of your car safely and easily. Its lightweight and foldable design makes it perfect for travel. Weighing only 10 pounds, it can still support dogs up to 150 pounds. You'll appreciate its durable construction and easy portability. High traction treads, side rails, and rubber feet provide stability and prevent slipping. Your pet will feel secure and confident using it. It folds in half and locks with a safety latch for easy storage. You can easily take it with you wherever you go. It's designed to fit most cars, trucks, and SUVs. Getting your pet in and out of the vehicle has never been easier. We offer a wide range of products to help senior pets maintain their mobility and independence. Check out our other mobility aids. For over 25 years, we've been dedicated to creating safe and happy environments for pets. Our US-based customer support team is always ready to help. What we like? It's lightweight and folds in half for easy storage, making it perfect for travel. If you frequently take your pet on trips in your car, truck, or SUV, this is the ramp for you. Its safety features ensure your pet's secure passage, giving you peace of mind on the road. What people say? It's lightweight and portable, which makes it superb for carrying around. The non-slip surface enhances my pet's safety, and I feel it well suited for large vehicles because of its 62-inch length. Plus, it's so easy for pets to use independently. The folding feature is also a great addition for easy storage. It's very sturdy, it was a very non-skid surface, it is super easy to fold and unfold, no struggle whatsoever, and this middle-aged woman can pretty easily lift and carry and move this ramp with one hand. Wide and sturdy enough for a larger dog. Almost no coaxing needed due to the non-slip ramp surface. Dogs feel confident move up and down. The simple locking feature works well to help prevent pinched fingers. Number 4. PetSafe Happy Ride Ramp. This innovative ramp makes it easy for your furry friend to get in and out of your vehicle. It's designed for all sizes of dogs and vehicles, ensuring safe and comfortable travel for your pet. It extends to fit even the tallest vehicles, and easily collapses for compact storage. It's lightweight yet incredibly sturdy, supporting dogs up to 300 pounds. With rubber feet, a high-traction surface, and side rails, it provides a secure and slip-free experience for your pet. Your dog's safety is our top priority. This ramp is designed for easy transport and storage. The safety latch ensures it stays securely closed when not in use, making it perfect for on-the-go adventures. We offer a wide range of products to help your pet maintain mobility and enjoy life to the fullest. From harnesses to crates, we've got you covered. For over 25 years, we've been dedicated to creating safe and happy environments for pets. Our expert customer care team is always here to help. What we like? This ramp extends to fit even the tallest vehicles. If you have a large dog or a high vehicle, this ramp's adjustability and sturdy build are ideal. Its safety features provide a secure and stable surface for your pet, no matter the height. What people say? The XL length size of this ramp decreases the angle from the height of the bed to the ground. The telescoping feature of this ramp allows us to easily keep the length for him to walk up easily into the bed while also collapsing to an easily manageable size for hauling in the bed while secured to the bed wall with cargo straps. It is a perfect width and length. Very sturdy, well made. It can carry 300 pounds, although we don't need that much. It has a handle and strap. The part the animal walks on has a kind of scratchy surface, slightly resembling fine sandpaper, so the pet doesn't easily slide. The outer working part is made of aluminium, and one part slides under the other. The rough surface is still rough, but I could see it becoming less rough, more slippery over time and use. It's sturdy. Number 3. TRIXIE Folding Dog Ramp. It's difficult for senior dogs to jump onto furniture. This ramp makes it easy for them to join you on the couch or bed again. Getting your dog in and out of the car can be a struggle. This foldable ramp is a convenient solution, easily stored in your vehicle's trunk. It's sturdy and strong, supporting up to 200 pounds. Your large dog can easily access their favorite spots. Traveling with your furry friend is now easier than ever. This ramp makes getting in and out of cars and SUVs a breeze. Measuring 61.4 L x 15.7 W x 5H and weighing only 11 pounds, it's perfect for indoor and outdoor use. It's the ideal size for most vehicles and homes. What we like? It's easy to store and folds away neatly. If you need a sturdy ramp that doesn't take up much space, this is a great option. Its robust design can handle even the largest dogs, providing safe and easy access to your car or home. What people say? Works great for my dog, and it's very strong too. Lab is 10 years and 85 pounds, he can still jump in and out of the truck however we don't want injuries. This is the perfect length and width from the bottom of the passenger door to curb, however it's too steep from curb to the truck bed as it's higher than the bottom of the passenger door. Folds easily and is sturdy. This ramp is very sturdy. I use it for my yellow lab who tore his ACL and is unable to have surgery due to age and having Cushing's disease. Thanks to this ramp he is able to get into my car and go places with me. Number 2. Dog ramp for large dogs. It's made from high-quality aluminum and plastic, strong enough to support up to 185 pounds. This ensures it will last and keep your pet safe. Easily adjust it from 28.7 inches to 64 inches long. It's lightweight and easy to move, so you can use it anywhere. This foldable ramp is strong yet lightweight, making it easy to store and transport. The telescopic design makes it convenient to carry. The non-slip surface with bone texture provides excellent traction, keeping your pet secure whether it's wet or dry. Say goodbye to lifting your pet. It makes it easy for them to get in and out of cars, SUVs, and other high places. It helps pets of all ages and sizes access vehicles and different areas of your home. It's perfect for large dogs, small dogs, and even cats. What we like? Its length adjusts to fit your needs, and it's lightweight for easy portability. If you need a versatile ramp for various heights and locations, this is a perfect choice. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting use, making it a worthwhile investment. What people say? Our 15-year-old Min Pin has a hard time getting down 2 stairs from the deck to the yard. This ramp works perfectly for her, and even when it rains, the grooves on the ramp make it easy for her to get up and down. Within a day or two she was using the ramp by herself. The ramp is easy to fold up and lightweight to put into the car, no problem. My dog recently had to have a front leg amputated due to cancer. Took to the ramp right away. Plastic ramp surface, it is hard, molded ridges give good traction. Aluminum side rails make opening and closing smooth. I like the sturdiness, and the weight is not too heavy for me to handle. My dog is 38 pounds and there is no give in the ramp when he is on it. There are grooves for a dog to grip. Number 1. Pet Gear Trifold Ramp PG 9300DR. This ramp makes it easier for your pets to get in and out of cars, trucks, or even onto your furniture. It's lightweight and easy to store. It's designed to be easily transported and stored. You can take it with you wherever you go. The extra-wide design provides ample space and stability for your pet. It's safe for pets of all sizes. Whether you have a small puppy or a large senior dog, this ramp is perfect for helping them navigate different heights. It supports pets up to 200 pounds. The non-carpeted surface is easy to clean and provides excellent skid resistance, ensuring your pet's safety. It's made with high-quality materials. Its patented trifold design allows for compact storage. It folds up easily and has a handy safety tether. You can trust in its quality and durability. It's a safe and reliable way to help your pet. What we like? This extra-wide trifold ramp offers superior stability and convenience. If you have a larger dog or prefer a wider ramp for added safety, this is the one for you. Its lightweight design and easy folding mechanism make storage and transport a breeze. What people say? The surface is no slick sandpaper-like, and he never lost his footing, which would have frightened him. It was wide enough to make him and me comfortable regarding footing, especially since his hindquarters were losing coordination due to the back problem. They are made of very thick plastic and will fold into a suitcase shape easily. They are heavy and have a handle when folded. The ramps are black and the no-slip surface is gray and feels like sandpaper. Does exactly what it's sold to do. Creates a stable ramp from ground to door sill on my truck for the dog to walk up. Easily supports an 80+ lb dog. Wide enough that he'll not step off by accident. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.